In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siteground Chat Help, which is often touted as one of the best customer support services available. A quick 5-minute guide is all it takes to navigate this user-friendly tool, ensuring you get the support you need swiftly and efficiently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to web hosting perfected Siteground's homepage. If you're unfamiliar with Siteground, it's a well-regarded web hosting company known for reliability and outstanding customer support. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to appreciate the clean, intuitive layout designed to make your user experience as seamless as possible. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page, where you'll see the login button. Clicking on this will lead you to the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If not, you might need to register before proceeding further. Logging in is crucial as it allows you to access the personalized support options tailored to your specific hosting needs. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in your Siteground account dashboard. This is your command center for managing your hosting services, payments, and support interactions. From here, to access chat help, look for the small question mark icon. This is typically referred to as a help or support icon. Clicking on this will take you to additional customer support options. Here, you'll find a button labeled View Help Center. Go ahead and click on this. The Help Center is a comprehensive resource, hosting a plethora of articles and tutorials covering a wide range of common questions and issues. However, our focus today is on accessing direct support, so our next step will lead us further into the contact avenues. To reach out to Siteground's team directly, click on the Contact Us option. This is often found on the same page as the Help Center, or within close navigation proximity. Siteground tends to filter support requests through a dynamic system that prioritizes urgent or intricate issues, ensuring you get the best and most timely help possible. Finally, on the Contact Us page, you can connect with a support representative via chat. Siteground's chat support is renowned for quick response times and knowledgeable staff. They're well equipped to handle a variety of inquiries, from troubleshooting technical issues to offering guidance on various hosting related matters. And there you have it. You've now accessed the Siteground Chat Help, paving the way for a beneficial conversation with one of their expert support representatives. Remember, the Siteground support team is there to make your hosting experience as smooth as possible, so don't hesitate to reach out whenever you need assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.